alleging rupees 100 crore scam in job recruitment in the PWD. Citizen Sanjeev Raiturkar has exposed how the recruitments were done in gross violations of Supreme Court guidelines not to recruit staff from waiting list and also PM directives to do away with process of interview. Raiturkar further pointed out that after complaints, the Vigilance Department probe found the recruitment process faulty while also passing strictures against the PWD principal chief engineer and the then PWD minister. Surprisingly, though, another PWD minister writes of the vigilance probe by 4 lines, with the chief minister approving it and the ex-chief secretary, also the chief vigilance officer, who had initially approved the probe, making a U-turn to disown his own observations. Mankulian Goa brings you a pot boiler as narrated by Raiturkar with documentary evidence procured under RTI.
हे प्रकरण चालू झाले 2018-19 जेन्ना युनायटेड गोवन फाउंडेशन म्हणटे एनजीओ डॉक्टर आशीष कामत हाणें कंप्लेंट फायल केली विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाक फॉर वायलेशन ऑफ डायरेक्शन्स ऑफ ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट and honorable then chief secretary Mr. Dharmendra Sharma by PCE म्हणजे principal chief engineer Mr. Uttam Parsekar regarding fraudulent recruitment of approximately 100 candidates of 12 categories of grade C and grade D post. आता ही डायरेक्शन्स पीएमची आणि then सीएमची कशी violate केली? On 15th of August 2015 Honorable Prime Minister on Independence Day made a statement of a speech saying that to discontinue holding of interviews from 1/1/2016. Please note this, this is very important. To discontinue holding of interviews 1/1/2016 to curb corruption, which was circulated by Department of Personnel, Goa government on 8/1/2016. This is the office memorandum by Department of Personnel. Last paragraph stated by Yatindra Maralkar, Additional Secretary for Personnel. Now with the approval of competent authority, all HODs, heads of offices, corporation, autonomous bodies are hereby directed to dispense with the process of interview for all Group C and Group D post with effect from 1/1/2016. This is for strict compliance and necessary action. Then Chief Secretary Mr. Dharmendra Sharma directed not to process additional posts as it will be an attempt to evade national policy, imperative of Prime Minister of no interview principle. Honorable Supreme Court and High Court says not to select candidates more than the vacancies advertised and not to fill vacancies from waitlisted candidates. This is very important, as it will be violation of Article 14 and 16 of 1 of Constitution of India and will be nullity and unenforceable in law. This is the circular exhibit number 3. Referring to various court rulings laid down by the apex court and the high court in the country, the law department has opined that any appointment made beyond the number of vacancies advertised is without jurisdiction, being violation of Article 14 and 16 of 1 of Constitution of India, thus a nullity and enforceable in law. Next, waiting lists cannot be used as reservoir to fill up the vacancies which come into existence after issuance of advertisement. The unexhausted select waiting list becomes meaningless and cannot be pressed in service anymore. This is added by it is enjoined upon HOD offices to observe the above instruction in letter and spirit, failing which it would amount to violation of court rulings, thereby attracting disciplinary action. Stated by Yatindra Maralkar, Additional Secretary Personnel. Vigilance Department, after carrying out investigation, this is very important. After carrying out investigation into 4 categories, out of complaints of 12 categories, there were 12 categories, 4 were investigated, submitted report to then Chief Secretary who was Chief Vigilance Officer in the state. Vigilance Department in the report confirmed violation of Prime Minister's and Supreme Court / High Court and then CS Dharmendra Sharma is as under. Violations of direction of PM, Supreme Court and CS approved vigilance report as under. Refer to exhibit number 4. Report of Vigilance Department, page 23 and 2810 of the notice confirms several other fraudulent malpractices including selection of candidates by holding interview, violating direction of Prime Minister to discontinue interviews, selecting candidates more than post advertised, and from waiting list approvals, violating direction of Supreme Court and Honorable High Court. This is exhibit number 4, where you can see work assistant, junior stenographers, draftsman grade 3, and number of posts here. For example, work assistant 35 and appointed 112. Next, junior stenographer 14, appointed 13. Draftsman 14, appointed 8. And meter readers, posts were 47 and appointed were 74. So, this was total flaw in the way. The advertisement was published for filling of 35 posts. I will read out. Advertisement was filled for filling 35 posts, work assistant in grade C, work charge establishment was filled by the Department of 112. So, important part, the appointment orders were issued to waiting list candidates on non-existent and non-advertised posts, as waiting list cannot be used as reservoir to fill vacancies which comes into existence after issuance of advertisement. Important is departmental selection committee have violated the entire selection process. This is the conclusion. Violated the entire selection process of filling of above said posts, thereby committing procedural lapses which tantamount to be gross misconduct on the part of DSC members as well as Principal Chief Engineer Mr. Uttam Parsekar. Overlooking violations of direction of Prime Minister, Supreme Court and then Chief Secretary mentioned in vigilance report, then Chief Secretary Mr. Parimal Roy raised observation whether all government approvals has been considered while examining the case and substantiate allegation as perusal of the file appeared on the contrary and seek detailed report from the PWD. It is clearly stated that after examination the report is as under. After examination, the report was surrendered. There was no mention of code criteria selection candidates in the advertisement. The reserved, unreserved categories were not mentioned in the advertisement for filling of posts. The candidates for reserved categories were recommended by DSC in the absence of specially nominated members of OBC. Appointment orders were issued to waiting list candidates on non-existent and non-advertised posts, as waiting list cannot be used as reserved to fill vacancies which comes in existence after issuance of the advertisement. Strict applicability of Circular 8/1/2016 was not adhered to a post which were notified after initial advertisement. The direction given by Chief Secretary to process additional posts afresh as per Circular 8/1/2016 was not adhered to. Incoordinate delay caused in filling of posts resulted in carrying out selection process on that post. The process of interview of 72 candidates was carried out on 17/10/2016. On the same day, DSC meeting was held and 16 candidates for the post of stenographers were recommended for the selection. There were no recordings of the finding of the candidate interviewed by 3-member DSC committee and only concentrated marks of interview. म्हणजे म्हटलं इंटरव्ह्यूच्या मार्क्स असा कोणत्याच्या पेपरमध्ये. It is to be submitted prima facie there were lapses committed in the process of recruitment above post, but justification furnished by Department of PWD wherein urgency narrated therein and approval of Honorable Minister for PWD do not sound good. This is very important. Honorable PWD Minister was none other than Sudhir Javadekar, and it is clearly stated in the report that Honorable Minister of PWD do not sound good. Now I am not a politician, neither I belong to any political party. This is the fact which is obtained under Right to Information Act, which I am placing it before you. The department had ample scope to adapt while instructions of the Chief Secretary to close the recruitment process on as is varying basis to the posts which were advertised with interview as a component, and same could not have been re-advertised, could have been re-advertised as a fresh post, but it was not done so. Mr. Pavaskar, Deepak Pavaskar, then PWD Minister, makes a note, very important thing, any elected representative or a minister has got no right to control Vigilance Department. He makes a note on entire Vigilance report which proves that entire job scandal is proved, accepted. Now Minister PWD Minister, Mr. Deepak Pavaskar passes a note. The note of Director of Vigilance placed at 33 and 56C. It appears that there were no bona fide intentions of the Public Works Department and all posts have been filled with due approval of the government. Hence, we may recommend to close the matter. म्हणजे आजपर्यंत जो पळय कितें विजिलन्स रिपोर्ट जो पळय करून पळय वर्सान वर्स पेड्ड्यार केली, एक वटेन गव्हर्नमेंट म्हणटा की आमी अशें करतले तशें करतले, अशें एक्शन घेतले तशें एक्शन घेतले, आनी हे सगळी फकाणां विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाची. एक वटेन विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट बंद करचें गव्हर्नमेंटान, ना जाल्यार असली फकाणां चलोवची न्ही, हें आमकां सगळ्यांक भितर घालपाचें, अशी म्हजो डिमांड आसा. कित्याक हें करून करून जर कांय ताचेर फायदो जावचो ना जाल्यार देर इज नो पॉयंट इन टॉकिंग एंड वेस्टिंग एवरीबडीज टायम. आतां हातूंत भितर कितें जालां की हो दीपक पावसकर हो नोट पास करता आणि जो पळय आजपर्यंत जो पळय एक्सरसाइज जो पळय जाला विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटचो तो नलिफाय करता. आता व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, वन्स then Chief Secretary, who was CVO, Chief Vigilance Officer, Mr. Parimal Roy, after getting this report, he takes a U-turn. Exactly after 5 days of the report, he prepared that the Vigilance Department has did that, blah, 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 blah. He takes a U-turn and says he had approved Vigilance report on 17/9/2020. That government approvals do not sound good. Surprisingly, by taking a complete U-turn within 5 days, that is 22/9/2020, same Chief Secretary approved to close the matter, including violations of directions of Prime Minister, including the violations of Honorable Supreme Court, including the violations of Honorable High Court, and including the violations of then Chief Secretary Mr. Dharmendra Sharma, which were confirmed in Vigilance report. If Taje, now I demand that entire benefits, retirement benefit has to be freeze of this Parimal Roy. It is proved in RTI documents which are procured by us, and then it is something called, I would say, after taking this U-turn, he never bothered to U-turn घेतात न्ही तूं सारकें कर. PWD पॅरावायज कॉमेंट माननासतना तूं U-turn घेता. कित्याक घेता, कशें घेता, ताजेर इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जाय. I demand suspension of Mr. Uttam Parsekar within 48 hours by this Chief Secretary, charge sheeting, freeze all the documents, freeze all the retiring benefits of Mr. Parimal Roy, sack Power Minister, who was also the Minister of PWD, and immediately, being he is an IS officer, transfer this matter to CBI, so that let us go to the deep roots as to why and what made these people to nullify the vigilance report. आयचे हे जे तुमच्या मुखार सांगला हांवें ते एक स्कॅम आसा जॉबा लागून एप्रोक्सिमेटली 100 crores. वेरी सिंपल, जॉबाची जी रेट आज मार्केटान चल्ल्या ती एप्रोक्सिमेटली फ्रॉम 5 lakhs to 40 lakhs. So depending on the type of job. आतां हांवें धरता आसतना 10 लाखूच धरल्या ऑन एन एवरेज 10 लाख धरले 1000 पोस्ट आसा सो इट कम्स टू अरावंड 100 crore स्कॅम. आतां हातूंत भितर कितें जालां दुख्खाची गोश्ट म्हणल्यार एक सायडीन चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणटा CBI म्हणटा कंप्लेनी करा आमी एक्शन घेतले आमी तुमकां हेल्प करतले आनी दुसरे सायडीन इतलो तेंप केस चलून चलून विजिलन्स रिपोर्ट येवन प्रूव जाला विजिलन्स रिपोर्ट आनी विजिलन्स रिपोर्टाचेर सांगलां की हो उत्तम पार्सेकर जो आसा प्रिंसिपल चीफ इंजिनियर ऑफ PWD इज अ फ्रॉड. हाणें with connivance with Mr. सुदीन ढवळेकर then PWD मिनिस्टर हांणी दोगी जाणांनी कट शिजयलो आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टाचें वायलेशन केलें आमचे ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टराचें वायलेशन केलें. इनफॅक्ट ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टरान 2016 सांगिल्लें की बाबा आतां देशान भितर इंटरव्यू नाका आनी इंटरव्यू घेतल्यार करप्शन आसा तेन्ना इंटरव्यू बंद करचे. हें आसतना आनी मुखार इंटरव्यू चालू दवरलो आनी मुख्य म्हणजे चीफ आमचे सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे वायलेशन्स कशें केले काय म्हणल्यार सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगलां एडिशनल पोस्ट घेवंक जायना वेटींग लिस्टाचे वयर लोक फिक्स करूं जायना. हे सगळे देर बाय वायलेटिंग सेक्शन 14 आनी 16(1) ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. हें सगळें जालें आसतना देन चीफ सेक्रेटरी धर्मेंद्र शर्मान सांगिल्लें की आपूण हें एक्नॉलेज करता आनी ताणें तें एक्नॉलेज केलें एक्सेप्ट केलो रिपोर्ट सगळें फायंडींग केलें. आतां हे उत्तम पार्सेकराक सस्पेंड करपा सोडून ताजेर चार्जशीट करपा सोडून तो फ्री खुलेआम भोंवता आनी हे एक दीस येता की दीपक पावसकार देन PWD मिनिस्टर एक नोट घालता. हें CMान विसरचें न्ही की दीपक पावसकराचें एज्युकेशन क्वॉलिफिकेशन ताका खबर आसा तो 8th पास आनी CM आमचो दोतोर. अशें आसतना CMान 17/9/2020 आमचो दीपक पावसकरान एक नोट केला एक 3 लायनीचो नोट दिलो सेईंग दॅट हें बाबा कांय ना हें गव्हर्मेंटाक सगळें हातूंत भितर बसनात हें सगळें नलिफाय रिपोर्ट बी कांय अर्थ नाका तेन्ना हें इट अपियर्स दॅट की हें अशें अशें करचें म्हणून. सो आतां प्रश्न आसा ताणें 17 तारखेक दिला CMान 21 तारखेक सायन मारल्या म्हणल्यार 17/9/2020 CM सायन ऑन 17/9/2020 आनी चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो परिमल रॉय आसा हो सगळ्याचो करता करिल्लो मुख्य मनीस जाणें पयलीं एप्रुवल केलें आनी मागीर 5 दिसांनी यू टर्न मारून हे CMाच्या आनी दीपक ढवळेकराच्या स्टेटमेंटाक आय मीन कमेंटाक आपूण सायन मारल्या एक्झॅक्टली 5 days 22/9/2020 आनी हें सगळें मेकळें केलें. आतां प्रश्न असो आसा की आतां आयिल्लो चीफ सेक्रेटरीक हांव वचून मेळ्ळो तो म्हणटा तूं हें कित्याक वाडयता आपल्याक तूं आप मुझे फसावगे हो ताजो स्टेटमेंट जेन्ना हांव भितर सरलो तेन्ना आनी तो उठलो आनी ताणें म्हाका सांगलें की तूं आपल्या लेखी दी. हांवें म्हणलें सर इवन युअर प्यून नोज अबाउट दीस मॅटर सो आय नीड नॉट हॅव टू गिव यू इन रायटींग you know everything without asking me asking you a question you have come to a conclusion because I have given you a note saying that I want to meet you regarding this particular reason अशें म्हणून सांगतकीर तो म्हणपाक लागलो मैं देख लूंगा. सो आतां म्हजें ताका सांगपाचें इतलें आसा आय वॉन्ट टू टेल मिस्टर चीफ सेक्रेटरी who is also the chief vigilance officer that in case if you fail to take action against this Uttam Parsekar you have to suspend him immediately within 48 hours and charge sheet him. If you fail to do so I will not keep quiet, I will go to the Central Chief Commissioner of India against him.
Uttam Parsekar, the CM also had signed on the same note, Parsekar.
But then सांगलें तुमकां CM has signed on, see, main culprit, they have made a scapegoat is Mr. Deepak Pavaskar, he being uneducated. So he made to give a small note. Based on that, everybody signed. So everybody is culprit. Tomorrow CM cannot say I am not a culprit. You mean to say CM has signed without reading the note? What power he has to nullify this vigilance report? Who has got power? Which elected representative or minister has got powers to nullify the report of the vigilance department? Has anybody got power to nullify? Then please stop this vigilance department and everything. Just get rid of these people. Why you are making mockery of Goan people? अरे लोक रावले आशेन जॉब मेळटलो म्हणून तुम्ही तांचे आशेर हें करता नाटकां. 1000 जॉब इंटू 10 लाख इज इक्वल टू 100 crores. कोणें कितें डिबेट करपाक जाल्यार एनी टायम रेडी आसा डिबेट करपाक.
Mr. Raithurkar, are you going to approach even the PMO because you said the CM is involved?
Yes, I want to.
And you are seeking action against the CM also?
Yes, I want an action with all the people who have signed and I am going to meet the Prime Minister also and I am going to contact the Chief Commissioner of India as far as the vigilance is concerned.